Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn how to use any image for the list symbol. Okay, so the first thing we need to have one image that we want to use. So in my case I have this image. Okay, so this smiley image we will use as list symbol. So what you need to do, just copy this and in the Android Studio, this project, then resources, drawable, and here right click and paste. OK and refactor. Now we have this image here. Next thing, we need to create one drawable object. Drawable, for example, d equal to get drawable, and here r dot drawable dot nice day icon. Okay, put semicolon. In the next line we will create one bitmap object. Now here we need to typecast, so bitmap drawable, here we will put d dot get bitmap. Okay, in the third line we will create one byte array output stream. Byte array output stream equal to new byte array output stream. Now next is using this bitmap dot compress, and here bitmap dot compress format, and in our case the format is png. Okay, comma its quality, so we will put 100%, and next is stream. Okay, now create one byte array. Byte array and name, for example, bitmap data. This is stream dot 2 byte array. Okay, now using this byte array we will create image data object. Image data factory dot create and put bitmap here. Okay, bitmap data. So actually this should be A, but so what we can do, press shift F6 and we can just change it bitmap data. Okay, now in the next line, image object, image equal to new image, and here image data. So now we have this image object and we can use this for the list symbol. So what we need to do here, list dot set symbol and image. Okay, now let's run this. And here you can see PDF created. Now open the PDF. And here you can see this smiley as list symbol, but its size is very big. So what we need to do, just reduce its size. Here image dot set height, and for example 16. Image dot set width and 16. Okay, now again run. Now PDF created, and here you can see its size. Okay, so this is the way we can use image as list symbol. You can also reduce its size, or you can increase text size for the alignment. So it is all depend on you. And this is enough for this video. So please subscribe the channel, like the video, and also join the Telegram group. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.